Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, today I have a couple of random freebies that came. One from Influenster and the other one from PinchMe. No idea what they sent me, but let's find out. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are having a good week so far. Well, today I received in the mail a couple of random freebies. I did sign up for like freebies, but I don't know how they picked to give me anything because I don't remember doing a whole lot other than a profile of, my interests and things. I guess that's where they get it from. And the first one is from PinchMe, and the second one is from Voxbox, which I have done Influencer, and I have done things for them. But it's usually really random. Sometimes it's makeup, sometimes it's lifestyle, sometimes it's, things, So yeah, but before we do that though, let's go ahead with Power Thought cards. And I really need this Power Thought cards right now. And let's see what we have. Okay, today we have a card with tall trees on it. It says, I am totally adequate for all situations. I am totally adequate for all situations. Okay, well, I'm going to share something with you guys that happened to me very recently. Matter of fact, a couple of days ago. Was it yesterday even? Or the day before? I think it was the day before yesterday. My husband and I went grocery shopping, and this grocery store, actually, their machines weren't working very well. We were at self-checkout. And as we were self-checking out, nothing was scanning. And then finally, a couple of things scanned. But I had different variety of things. And when I went to seek help, I was standing at where the woman comes to, help you. And then she looked right at me, and then she went to one register, helped somebody, and then she looked at me again, then went to another register, then helped somebody, and then on the third one, she did the same thing. And those people were all calling her. I was standing there, and then I was kind of like, hey, hello. And then I finally spoke up after she moved to the fourth person. And she said, I see you standing there. And so I'll be with you in a minute. And so I'm like, okay, but all these other people are asking for help after I was there. So I wasn't really happy with that, but I was thinking to myself, well, maybe she's having a bad day, so let it go. And then so she came to help my husband and I, and all of a sudden she just snatches things out of my hand and says, well, let me see that. And then I'm standing there thinking, okay, why would she treat me like this? And then I said, well, this one's scanned. She said, well, then use this one. I said, there are different varieties. She said, it doesn't matter, it's the same price. But you know what? I used to be a part-time bookkeeper at a grocery store, and it does matter because of inventory. And especially now in the computerized system, they depend on accuracy of the scanners in order to do inventory so they can order things from the suppliers. Okay, so it matters. So I didn't say anything, but inside me, I was really, really boiling. And she treated me like I was an idiot. And she talked down to me. She talked way down to me like I was stupid. She was even slowing down her speech to talk to me. And I was just so hurt. And I know the reason why I get this treatment. And, it's sad. It's sad because this isn't the first time it happens. And yesterday when we were going somewhere, and we're going to another grocery store actually, and this woman just pushing her cart, and she was parked next to us, and she just gave me the dirtiest stare down, and really, really obvious. And my husband looked over to me and said, they're sick people, just ignore them. But it's so hard sometimes when it's repetitive, and it is, even here in California. And so they say, well, people in California are really open-minded. No, not really. And I was really hurt. And the day before yesterday when that happened, I had enough. I really had enough. And the dam finally broke. But I knew I had to continue going. So I had a really good cry, like I hadn't for many, many years. And, you know, my husband was there to comfort me and really talk to me. And so things got better later that day. Thinking back on it, it really hurts my feelings. But yeah, I just need to turn it around because they're the ignorant people. They're the uneducated people. And I really wanted to say to her, you know, that woman at the first grocery store, look, you're looking at somebody with a double master's. What do you have? But I didn't do that. I didn't do that. I wanted to. But, you know, I didn't want to lower myself to that level. I'm bigger than that. And this is, you know, this is why this card really triggered that. I'm totally adequate for all situations. And it's, you know, the thing is, I mean, sometimes you just want to bite back when you're bitten, right? And especially when you're bitten over and over and over. But I think that was a straw that broke the camel's back. There's been culmination of it through the years. But yeah, and I really had to put myself together and say, look, you're better than that, Alex. Just turn the other way, have a good cry, and then move on. And that's what I decided to do. Okay, so, you know, all of you, I know, I mean, I am a very positive person. I'm a happy person in general, but I do have rough patches too. And I know I've mentioned that before, but I never gave you details. And I thought maybe sharing this with you will give you a glimpse, a little glimpse into my life. And that, you know, things aren't perfect, but you still have to go forward, okay? You still have to know what's inside you and your own worth, because nobody gives you worth, right? You give yourself that own worth. And nobody can, I mean, she doesn't pay my rent, right? And what she does in her life does not affect me at all. And so I need to keep that in mind, move forward, and don't let my day get ruined by people like that. And just be happy with my life and be thankful. Be thankful for everything I have. And be thankful for what I am able to do and what I am able to accomplish. And I have you beautiful wildflowers out there. And I look forward to making videos for you guys and creating. And in that day, actually, I had to put on a smile on my face and create that video. And you know what? It made me feel so much better. It really did. And I really want to thank you for that. And I want you to really have your own value in your heart and know what you're worth, regardless of what other people think and what other people say, okay? So that was a long drawn out thing, right? Sorry about that. So again, let me show you the card. Very appropriate and a great affirmation. I am totally adequate for all situations. That's that. Okay, so let's see what we got here on the boxes. Just for you assist by Influenster. Let me get these cards back in here. Okay, so let's see what we got. This thing just opens up, I think. Yeah, it does. There's no tape or anything. Weird, right? And it says Influencers. And I think once I see what's in here and try it, I'm supposed to log on somewhere. And yeah. Okay, Purina. Okay. Is this something with my cats? Trusted brand, influencer, your pet, our passion. What's in here? Look, the girls are getting a treat. It is 2 cans of cat food, actually. Look at that. I didn't know they did cat food. That's why they asked if I have pets. Okay, there you go. 2 different varieties of cat food. This is totally different, but I think I'm going to try it because, you know, at least for one of them, Rosie has a special diet. She has a prescription diet because I think you remember a while back she got really sick and had to have surgery, and so she can't have as much protein as Lily, who needs it because she's a skinny little runt. And so this would be perfect. Okay, let me see. Let me put on my glasses real quick and let me see what it says about it. Okay, it says grain-free. Oh, good, because you know what? I do not feed them anything with grain. So it's grain-free. One is a chicken, beef, and carrot recipe, and the other is a turkey, sweet potato, and spinach recipe. Dang, that sounds good enough to eat myself. So it says it's made with real chicken and beef for the first one. No corn, wheat, or soy. No poultry byproducts at all. And no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Wow, it's called Purina Beyond. Okay, and gravy. They like things in gravy. Or at least Lily gets to enjoy things in gravy. And so there it is. And this one, again, it says made with real turkey meat, no corn, wheat, or soy, no poultry byproducts at all, and no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Natural cat food, and I like it. This is 3 ounces. That's a good size for them. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try and video, you know, Lily eating this if she likes it. If she does, I'll start ordering it because I've been having trouble finding cat food. Every time she likes something, I don't know, I guess the whole world likes it because then they're out. I have repeat delivery, and the last 2 times they said, sorry, we're out of stock. Sorry, we're out of stock. And they are Purina brand also. So yeah, give it a try. Very cute. So, okay. And it says, on the back of this card, it says, feeding your cat is about more than the right nutrition. It's about sharing special moments and creating a connection that lasts a lifetime. Quality nutrition tailored to meet your cat's needs will help her live happily and healthy so you can create many of those special moments. See the difference Purina can make in your cat's life and yours. Okay, so all right, then I'll go ahead and try it and video her liking it or not, but I think she will because she likes Purina products. And I don't know if you know, but Purina is sold in grocery stores, but Purina company actually does a lot of R&D, research and development. And I know this because I talked to my veterinarian who is actually a professor at UC Davis Veterinary School. And I kind of like, you know, thumbed my nose at Purina one time thinking, okay, these other brands are better. He says, no, not really. He says, if you look at their books, they do a lot of R&D and they have very good food. So he kind of changed my mind at that. So I'm really looking forward for the girls to try this, or at least one girl to try this. Okay, that's that. Well, I wasn't expecting that, were you? I'm like, okay, cat food. Okay, the next one is from PinchMe. And let's see what this is about. Let me take a look. It does say to post on social media, so I think I probably have to take pictures of these things and post it on Instagram maybe? I don't know. Okay, that's okay. It's boxes of stuff. Let's see what I got. And what, okay. First thing they sent me is by Lumify Bausch & Lomb Redness Reliever Eye Drops, 1 single-use vial. It's a sample. Okay, all right. Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. I don't usually have red eyes, but I do have dry eyes sometimes. So, Redness Reliever. Okay, there it is. And I can go ahead and give it a try and see. I mean, there are days that I'm so tired when I wake up in the morning, my eyes are red. So what this says is, want eyes that wow significantly reduces redness to help eye look whiter, brighter, and amazing. Works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. Unique formulation that works differently. And you guys, be really careful when you use things like Visine and things that makes your eyes white, because there is a chemical in there that does that, and it's not good for you to use a lot. And a lot of people don't know that. It's called let me see, I don't have it's really small. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put it on a screen right here to let you know what that is. Okay, so be careful with these. Okay, that's one thing. And the other thing is Compeed Advanced Blister Care in medium. Instant pain relief, long-lasting protection, faster healing. I don't know why they send these, or, you know, because I don't really wear shoes right now. I mean, I only wear like flip-flops, and even when I go out, I'm in flip-flops, and I don't remember the last time I got a blister, to be honest. So when I give a feedback, I'm gonna have to tell them, you know, it looks good, but I don't use the product, so I don't know. I don't want to just slap it on my heels like this and just walk around to see, you know, if it really suits the pain when I don't have one. So I'm not going to be dishonest. So I think I'm going to have to write them and say, you know what, thank you for sending these to me, but I don't need them. I really don't need them. And so, and here's another thing too. Healthy starter kit for contact lens and comfort. BioTrue works like your eyes. Okay, so why do I need this? Okay, you know what? I need to look at my profile because maybe I filled out something incorrectly because none of these things I need. So that's really weird. So, okay, is that all that's in there? Yeah. Okay, yep, that's it. So apparently this is, you'll almost forget you're wearing contacts. Yeah. Okay, so contains moisturizing ingredient found naturally in eyes, helps contacts stay comfortable all day. Bio True. Okay. All right. I don't know what to say, guys. So yeah, that's that. And that was my 2 freebie box. And I'm glad it was a freebie box because that'd be kind of like, but you know, I don't mind about the influencer one. This cat thing, yeah, I like that because my cats enjoy that. So, but yeah, okay. Who knew? So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much. And you guys do know that I do have a secret giveaway going on right now. And I believe that was in yesterday's Monday video, which is the Mask Monday Ladies video. Okay, so take a look at that. And today by 6 p.m., Michelle M. If I don't hear from you, I am going to have to pick a new winner for the giveaway from the 26th, I believe, of August. And the word was choice. And so I will have to draw a new winner if I don't hear from you. And I have checked my Instagram as well as my email, and I haven't gotten anything. So, okay. All right. But I don't want to lose out. And I did stretch it out a lot longer than 48 hours because my days have been discombobulated. I don't want to punish you for it. Okay. All righty, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, then the bell button, and selecting all, so that way you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, I want you guys to have a good day, a good night, a good week, a good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it does not matter. But just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.